Hello YouTube, it's Luke from BassNLuke again. Uh, we are going to continue our tutorial on an RPG game. In this one, like I said in the last episode, we're going to be dealing with health bars and EXP bars and stamina bars, possibly. This is just for your preference. You don't have to use a stamina bar. So let's go ahead and start. First, make some bars. So I made mine. First sub image should be an outline. Second subimage, oops. Second subimage should be a filled in of your uh, sprite, or filled in of your health bar. And then do that for stamina, EXP, and health bar. And go ahead and make an object. I called it player control. Inside player control, the create event, you're going to put, or I guess, yeah, global dot HP equals 100. Global dot exp equals 0. That's funny that exp is an actual, like, we'll make it, nah, exp equals 100. Global dot stam equals 100. My bad. Alright, I had to make exp capitals because apparently that's a variable already. And make the exp 0. Sorry about that. Step event, put in if HP is less than 0. Global dot HP is less than 0. Global dot HP equals 0. So this keeps HP from going below 0. Because we don't want to go into the negative numbers. That'd be dumb. Alright, so if HP is greater than 100, then HP would equal 100. So this keeps it from going past 100. Or whatever maximum you want it to be. You can set the maximum to whatever you want. Because I'm sure, like, if you want to make it so that if your person levels up, then his maximum HP goes up a little bit, you know, more realistically as an RPG. You could do that too. Copy and paste this 2 more times. That whole bit right there. So change out HP with the other variables. Copy and paste this because it's easy. Easy's fun. Yay! Put in stamina. There we go. Okay, now comes the tricky part. Please stick with me. I actually had to redo the video over because of this last time. I'm trying to go straight through without having any problems. Alright, so this is the draw event. So inside the draw event, we're going to put draw underscore sprite. Put the sprite of your health bar first. You can start with whatever you want, but I'm gonna do health bar. Put the sum image 0 because that's the first part, it's the outline, and then view underscore x view, and then the view number is going to be 0. I'm gonna put +4 so that's a little bit off, and then view underscore y view +4. So it means it's going to be about 4 down and 4 to the right off of my view. I'm going to copy this and then paste it again and change the sum image to 1. And then over to draw underscore sprite, put underscore part. What this will do is change up our code just a little bit. We're going to delete, actually you don't have to delete that. Don't delete it. Yeah. So what we want to do here is it says left, top, width, and height. And what this will be is 0, 0, and that's like 0, 0 is like the very tip top left corner of our sprite. And then width is going to be the tricky one. So inside width, put global.hp divided by 100, or okay, this 100 is going to be your maximum HP. So if you want to make a variable called like HP max, you could change the HP to whatever you want. It would therefore be moving up and down to that maximum. So that's 100, and then we're going to multiply it times the actual width of our sprite. Well, mine's 100 because I wanted to have it a little more like easier for me to do for this tutorial and just save my time. So it equals the maximum. So height would equal the height of your sprite. So go and look at it. Sorry, I don't have it off the top of my head. So mine's 9. So I'm going to put 9 here, comma. And then there, it's still leave it at view underscore x view, view underscore y view. Make sure it's the exact like numerical value of the last one in the draw underscore sprite. And then we're going to copy and paste this 3 more times, or 2 more times, and then change everything accordingly. Put exp bar here. Put stamina. Oops. Okay, and then change the HP to exp and stamina. And that should be it. Nope. Don't forget to move these down. So my sprite height is 9, so I want to move it down probably about 10. So 14, and then 24. So there we go. Now everything's in increments of 10, so there should be about a pixel space between everything. Don't forget to do it on the draw sprite, not just the sprite part. So 24 on this one, and then 14 on this one, because they're the corresponding outlines and stuff. So let's try it out. Yep, sorry, inside the room. Good. Alright, so inside the room. Let's see if this works. And there you go. So you remember that our EXP was at 0. Well, it's not filled because it's at 0. So now I'm going to show you how you can control this. So remember our enemy that we made it so it destroys itself once its HP equals 0. Well, once its HP equals 0, we can make it global dot exp plus, oops, capital EXP for me. You can change it to whatever you want. Plus equals 1 or 5 or 10 or whatever you want it to be. So I'll make mine 10 just to make it a little easier for myself because I want to level up. So player control, and then we're going to change this if global.exp is greater than, and we're going to change the greater than thing to greater than or equal to 100, then global.exp will equal 0. So that means that basically we level up. So now, if you want to put some levels into there, we can make another variable inside of our player object or player control object and make global.lvl equals 1. So right now our level is 1. And then we can go into our draw event and put draw underscore text view underscore x view number 0, oops, x view plus 4. No, I want it to be, so 100 plus 4 would be, I'm stupid, 104, I would put 6 view underscore y view plus, and keep it corresponding with my experience bar, so I'll make it 14 because that's the height that my experience bar is at. And then the string is going to be global dot oops, this is a new little trick that you can do too. Put in quotation marks, level, colon, and then outside of the quotation marks put plus, put string, and then inside of the parentheses put global dot lvl. And then this will show our level, and then right next to it will show our will show the word level, and then right next to it our actual level number. So let's go ahead and try it. Yep, see level 1, and then if we go and hit some enemies, goes our little EXP bar goes up. Let's see if I even put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, didn't even put in enough. Alright, so I'm gonna change my increment on the enemy object to 25, so that we only have to hit 4 enemies to level up. Let's do it. Whack, 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 whack. Die, all of you little smiley face. Alright, so I know I'm running into him, and it should be bringing down my health, and I will do that in just a second. It's not hard. And I forgot to do something. Sorry. Player control. If global.exp is greater than or equal to 100, right below global.exp equals 0, put global.lvl plus equals 1. So there. Well, that's all that for that. And then what we're going to do is if we are if place underscore meeting xyo enemy inside of the step event for the player, then global dot HP minus equals 1. So that means if we're colliding with the enemy, then our HP will subtract by 1. So, if we go up and touch this dude, HP bar drains. So have to be very careful next time I try to hit him. Ouch. Hit me just a little bit. Alright. Oh, jeez. Sorry, this is taking so long. There we go. One more. Yep, see, level 2. Yeah. So now you can... Wow! Okay. Yeah, that's all for this tutorial. I mean, there you go, health bars. I will probably make a little mini tutorial on how to make Zelda-style hearts. And those are really cool. I use those in my games all the time because they're amazing and I love them so much. I love old games. Alright, so I'll see you next tutorial. Catch you later.